Class 5 Environment Studies Close we were Chapter 3. In this video we discuss about types of fibers. Now let us know the different types of fibers. The mainly fibers are two types. One is natural fibers, the another one is artificial fibers. Natural fibers obtained from plants and animals. Mainly cotton and jute are plant fibers. Silk and wool are animal fibers. Polyester, ternin, rayon, nylon, etc. are artificial fibers. These artificial fibers known as synthetic fibers. They are made with chemicals. Now discuss about natural fibers. First, cotton. The cotton fiber is taken from the fruit of cotton plant. The fruit of cotton plant spun onto the beans to make threads. The threads, then the yarn is woven into fabric on the weaving machine. It is called cotton fabric. The cotton fabric made to cotton cloths. Now you see here cotton fruit turns to yarn, yarn weaving it turns to fabric, and drying printing fabric stitched it may be clothes. Recall the process of cotton to cotton clothes. Cotton plant gives cotton fruit, cotton fiber to connect from cotton fruit. Its sieving, it turns into the cotton yarn. The weaving cotton yarn turns into cotton fabric. We stitch using the cotton fabric, cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are soft. Cotton clothes absorb sweat and keep the body cool. So, cotton clothes are suitable for summer season. Next, jute. Jute fiber is taken from the jute plant bark. First, jute plants took cut down and kept into the water in some days and extract fiber from the jute plant. After washing fiber, the fiber drying, then transport to the factory and it convert into the jute yarn. Using the jute yarn made jute products such as gunny bags, carry bags, ropes and threads, hanging items, carpets, mattress and baskets are also made with jute. Now process of jute plant to jute fabric. Jute plant cut and kept into water and extract fiber, cleaning and drying it turns to the jute yarn. Using the jute yarn to prepare jute products. Jute products mainly gunny bags, ropes, designer clothes are made from jute. Next, flag plants. Using the flag plants, we made linen clothes. These are very costly and fine clothes. Next, silk. Silk is obtained from silkworms. Silkworms caterpillars eat mulberry trees and to make a cocoon. The cocoons boiling after we conduct the thread using spinning. This thread converts into silk yarn. Using this silk yarn, we make silk clothes. The process of silkworm to silk fabric is silkworm eats mulberry leaves to make cocoon. Cocoons boiling and spinning, we made silk fabric. Using this silk fabric, we make silk clothes. Silk clothes are smooth and beautiful. During the process of making silk yarn, cocoons are boiled. Caterpillars inside the cocoons will die. The silk thread is connected from them. If the cocoon is alive, the caterpillar grows into the silk moth and comes out from the cocoon, and the silk thread will be broken. Hence, to kill the caterpillars, cocoons are boiled. Think how many caterpillars die to give us a beautiful silk saree? Next one, wool. Wool is obtained from sheep fur. The fur or hair of the sheep is sheared, that means cutting, and spun into reels of wool. The wool yarn is woven into woolen cloths. This yarn using many wool products we make it, such as sweaters, caps, blouses, scarves and mufflers, blankets and wool pillows. Wool collected from not only sheep but also goat, camel and yak also. Now you see here how the wool is collected in different stages. First one is shearing from the sheep or goat, after shoring or boiling, after shorting to canning to make a yarn in the factory. Using this yarn, we make woolen clothes. Process of wool to wool yarn. Sheep fur cutting after boiling, next reeling into the factories and make wool yarn. Using this wool yarn, we make woolen clothes. Woolen clothes we use in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm, so that we use woolen clothes in winter. Now discuss about artificial fibers. Polyester, terling, rayon and nylon are made in factories by using chemical process. These are called synthetic fibers. The artificial fibers are affordable and last longer. Do you know what kind of fabric used for raincoats and an umbrella? Yes, these fabrics are also uh, made of artificial fibers. Usually, we use umbrellas and raincoats during rainy season. They are made of waterproof material. This material also made with artificial fibers.